Hello everyone. Yana Smakula here. Welcome to day 4 unboxing of the 12 Days of Stitchmas Advent Calendar from Spellbinders. I have shared day number 1. This was day 1. I have shared day 2. This was day 2. And day 3. I have videos for these cards so far. My goal is to create videos for all 12 days, but we will see how that goes. If I have the time, sometimes, as much as I love these products, sometimes I get overwhelmed and life gets in the way and I just run out of time. So we'll see. Let's go ahead and open day 4. Are you guys ready? Ta-da-da-da. Oh, let's peek inside. I'm loving this advent calendar. The dies are so fun. If you are not into stitching, you might have noticed that I didn't exactly stitch any of mine, so you can totally skip stitching. The dies or the die cuts look phenomenal without the stitching as well. Okay, let's go ahead and open this one. Ta-da! Oh, look at that! We have a little postage stamp with a little ornament, and it says cheer. How cool. Okay, let's get this out. And let's take a look at the dies so we can see the size of the dies. Okay, so this one is about 2 by, well, probably 2 1/4 inches. So we have the postage stamp. We have the little insert that we can stitch, and it says cheer at the bottom. And then we have the ornament, and again you can stitch the ornament. There's the ornament topper, and there's even a cute little bow die. Oh, that looks fun. It could be used on this card too. Love it. Okay, I'm going to pause my video, make my card, and then I'll be back. Here's a look at the card I created featuring day 4 of the 12 Days of Stitchmas Crafty Advent Calendar from Spellbinders. So the day 4 features the postage stamp, and there's also a little ornament. I wanted to do something different. I wanted to have a little different scene on my postage stamp. I quite like the postage stamp shape and whole idea. As you guys can see, I, again, didn't do any stitching, but, you know, like I said, I love stitching dies without the stitching. So I have the postage stamp. The white piece is cut from brushed white. The blue is cut from Windy. Then I have a window from my City Holiday die set. I also used the curtain dies as shutters right here. Somebody suggested that these curtains would look fantastic as shutters on windows, and I was kind of wanting to give that idea a try. So here I did that. I also added a little wreath over the window, and then this bow is from this stitching die set. Now, because I had the postage stamp in the center of this card, this is once again Windy background, and this is A2, so 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches on a white card base. I needed to add something else to the background of this card to kind of help separate the postage stamp from the background. So I filled that space with the foliage from my Christmas cracker collection. I added different kinds of foliage using different colors of cardstock. So I have the fern, rainforest, and then I have the gold glitter. Of course, I have the berries cut from red cardstock. I do feel like I need to add something else here. It kind of feels incomplete. It feels like I don't have enough. So I might come back and add some gems. And then I also added the Happy Holidays sentiment. This is a Happy Holidays sentiment banner from that same Christmas cracker die set where the foliage comes from. The postage stamp just says cheers or cheer, and I wanted to keep that cheer at first. I had placed the Happy Holidays down at the bottom here, but that it just didn't work. So I moved it a little bit higher just below the window, and it sort of helps ground the window as if the window is sitting above the Happy Holidays. So this is my look, my take at the day 4 of the Stitchmas Advent Calendar from Spellbinders. Hopefully I'll be back tomorrow with day 5. And you know what? I went ahead and I fixed it. I added a whole bunch of green gems from Spellbinders. Red would have been better. White probably would have been even better than that. But I don't have any white. I don't have any red. I do have a whole bunch of green. So I added green gems, and I kind of feel like that helped finish the background. What do you guys think? Do you love it, or was it better before without the gems? Let me know in the comments below.